So welcome students. So in this question, you're given that A is an idempotent matrix and you're asked to find what I plus A whole power 4 is. So in the theory, you'd have studied what an idempotent matrix is. So what is an idempotent matrix? If A square is equal to A, then it is called an idempotent matrix. So if A square is equal to A cube will also be equal to, so A cube will be equal to A square into A, and A square by definition is equal to A into A is equal to A square. By definition, it will be equal to A. That means all the higher powers of A will be equal to A if it is an idempotent matrix. So all A power n's will be equal to A. This is also a sub-definition of idempotent matrix. So now in this question, you are asked to find I plus A whole power 4. So I plus A whole power 4. So this looks like a binomial expansion. So the question is, can I use the binomial expansion for matrices? So x plus y whole power n is equal to, we know the binomial expansion nc naught x power n plus nc1 x power n minus 1 into y power 1 plus so on up to ncn y power n. So we know that binomial expansion is valid for numbers. So can I use the binomial expansion for matrices? So generally no, but the theory says that if A and B are commutative matrices, then I can use binomial expansion for matrices also. So binomial expansion for matrices can be used only if A and B are commutative, that is AB is equal to BA. So if this happens, then I can use binomial expansion for matrices. Now I plus A whole power 4. So if I have to be able to use the binomial expansion, I and A have to be commutative. And from theory we know that I and A are commutative because I into A is equal to A into I will be equal to A because I is the identity matrix. So I and A are commutative matrices, hence I can use the binomial expansion. So if I use the binomial expansion, I get 4 times, that is 4c naught times I power 4 plus 4c1 times I cube A plus 4c2 times I square A square plus 4c3 times I A cube plus 4c4 times A power 4. Now I is a identity matrix. So I cube into A becomes A, I square into A square becomes A square, A cube, so on. And A is an idempotent matrix, so A power n is equal to A. So this is also A square is also A cube is also A power 4 is also A. I power 4 is I. So 4c naught is 1. So this becomes 1 times I power 4 is I plus, so all these terms becomes A. So A times 4c1 plus 4c2 plus 4c3 plus 4c4, that is equal to I plus 15 times A. So this will be the answer to this question. Thank you.